Hi everyone, I'm Ariane and I'm here to discuss about how to get the trigonometric function of any angle. Hope you enjoy! In a right triangle, there are actually 6 possible trigonometric ratios or functions. A Greek letter such as theta will now be used to represent the angle. These sides, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent, will be used to determine the said functions. First type of function is sine of theta, or sine theta. It is determined by dividing the opposite side of the angle by the hypotenuse. Second type of function is the cosecant of theta. It is the reciprocal of sine theta. As we can see, hypotenuse is divided by the opposite side of the angle. Third type of function is the cosine of theta. It is measured by dividing the adjacent side by the hypotenuse side of the triangle. The fourth type of function is the secant of theta. It is the reciprocal of cosine of theta and is measured by dividing the hypotenuse by the adjacent side of the triangle. Next type of function is tangent of theta. It is determined by dividing the opposite side by the adjacent side. And the last type of function is the cotangent of theta. It is the reciprocal of tangent of theta. It is measured by dividing the adjacent side to the opposite side of the triangle. Still remember these formulas. Always remember these two keywords. So katoa and cho sha kao, where O represents the opposite side, H represents the hypotenuse side, and A represents the adjacent side. The point xy be a point on the terminal side of theta in standard position. Example: find the 6 trigo functions of theta in standard position whose terminal side contains point 43. To do this, we must first find the radius through Pythagorean theorem. R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Since our point is 43, we must substitute it to get the r. 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 3 squared is equal to 9 is equal to 20. For this, we must first find the radius using the Pythagorean theorem. R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. Since our point is located at 4, 3, we must substitute the value of x and y, 4 and 3, to the equation to find the radius. X squared or 4 squared plus y squared or 3 squared is equal to 16 plus 19. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. R squared is equal to 25. To get this, we must get the square root of r squared to have the value of the radius. Square root of r squared is equal to square root of 25. R is equal to 5. We can see r is the radius which represents the hypotenuse or the longest side of the triangle. The opposite side measures 3 and the adjacent side measures 4. The measurement of the sides depend on the point located. Get the measurement of the functions. First is sine theta. Opposite side is equal to 3 divided by the hypotenuse side, which is equal to 5. Next is the cosecant theta. You will just reciprocate the sine theta to get this. After that is the cosine theta. You will get the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Then, secant theta. It is the reciprocal of the cosine theta, so you'll just reciprocate the value of the function. Next is the tan theta. Opposite divided by adjacent is the cotangent theta, which is the reciprocal of tangent theta. These are the 6 trigonometric functions that we got from our example.